In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a support ticket system in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once inside, go to create and go to templates. From here, simply type in support ticket or ticket system. And as you can see, help desk tickets or ticketing system should appear. Now, you can use these templates because it's for free. Simply type in a list name, let's say, then choose where this list would be located. Now, for the import options, you can either import everything or customize the import items. Then, import the start and due dates as is or remap the dates. Lastly, you can also include the archive task. Then let's use this template. After that, ClickUp will then apply the template and put it right here on your left panel. Once it creates, it will automatically open. So give ClickUp a few moments. Now, as you can see, there's a getting starting guide to help you navigate through this template. And of course, here's going to be your task, which you can rename according to how you want to handle your support ticket system. You have a ticket priority, ticket categories, ticket status, and even a ticket submission form, all of which is those that you need to actually track your progress regarding your support system. Now, you can fully edit and customize this to fit your needs and liking. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.